Good. Good to go. Yes. Oh, I'm still there. Oh, I'm doing all this. Okay. Hey, people, a very, 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 very warm welcome to all the beautiful people out there. I was just checking all the stuff, and I guess I should do some changes out there. At least Bhavna Ma'am puri dikhni chahiye. So yes, now it's better and it's okay. Now, people, a very, very warm welcome to all the beautiful people. I know you guys are there and you guys are waiting for this session. Why is it so? Because today is the quiz session, the mentee session you guys all wait for. So people, if you have not been yet there, please tell each of your friends that today we are going to have a mentee. Are they ready to take the challenge up? So let's call everyone, because today we are going to have the force and laws of motion, inertia and first law of motion mentee quiz. Let's see how many people are coming in. Hey Art Express, yes, 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 today it is the mentee session. Hello Mayank, hi Rashmeet, mentees kabhi miss nahi karta na tu? Great. Bus, ma'am, bus. Okay, so you guys are reading all that. Oh my God. यार यही होता है, ठीक है? When you come, now you come. Hello, Balvinder. Hi, Tejaswini. Hey, Dvanit. Hello, Dev. Hello, Mayank. Hello, Harsh. Mentee, mentee, mentee. I can see that. Yes. So we will be having a mentee, but in a while. थोड़ा सा तो बिल्डअप करने दिया करो यार, सीधा आती मेंटी शुरू कर दूंगी. लेट एवरीवन कम, कॉल योर फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ मेंटी क्विज. आर दे रेडी टू टेक द चैलेंज और नॉट? हे श्रेयांश, ओह सो नाइस टू सी यू हियर. हाय मिशेल. हेलो नव्या. हेलो नव्यो. Hello people. So what's up people? How's life going? Hi Latika. How's life going? Everybody is doing good? Great? Awesome? Super? Fabulous? Fantabulous? चलो जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दो. यस मैम, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ग्रेट. यू जस्ट स्टार्ट द मेंटी, वी आर ऑल वार्म अप. बट ऐसा करते हैं कि लेट्स डू अ बिट ऑफ वार्म अप बिफोर आई गो विद योर फेवरेट वाला सेशन. लेट्स सी वेदर यू कैन हैव अ स्पैम वॉर विद मी. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्पैम वॉर? द स्पैम वॉर विल बी, people, you know, we started with the session of force and laws of motion. We have started with understanding what is force, what is inertia, what is the first law of motion. Now let's start with today's class, not with the mentee, but with a revision. What's up people? Can you give me the answers in the comment section? I'm giving you the right to spam because I know you guys love to spam, right? So आज spam करते हैं और इतना करते हैं कि chat box भर जाए. So I'm going to put questions to you and you are going to spam the answer as much as you want. कौन teacher बोलेगा बेटा जाओ spam करो? See, Bhavna ma'am says that. So people, you need to start with spamming with what is force. कौन बताने वाला है मुझे व्हाट इज फोर्स? मेंटी तो आएगी, पहले स्पैम करो. चलो लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी और हाउ मच यू कैन स्पैम. टेल मी. अरे नहीं पहने आज श्रेयांश, नहीं पहने आज. अभी मैंने चश्मा अभी साफ नहीं करा है मेरे पास, पर मैं साफ नहीं करा. यस कनक, हाय हाय लीथल जाटी. वाओ यार वाओ. पुश एंड पुल रश्मीत, मैं तुझे ना क्लास में बैठने नहीं दूंगी नेक्स्ट टाइम. यार पुश एंड पुल 7th क्लास में छोड़ दो. Go ahead. What do you mean by force? No, I'm not taking push and pull. Very good, Mayank. Mayank gave me a word. It's effort. It is an effort which can be in the form of push, pull, hit, lift, kick, anyway. So don't give me push. Very good. It's an effort to change the state of motion. Very good, Mr. Unknown Person. Superb. Push and pull तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं ले रही मिशेल, बिल्कुल नहीं ले रही. Mayank, super, great. लैग हो रहा है प्लीज यार, नेट की स्पीड ना 100 MBPS के पास थी, ये मत बोलो मुझे. इट्स एन एफर्ट. नाउ दिस एफर्ट कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर. नोबडी गेव मी द वर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ एन interaction. So people, if I ever have to write that what is my force, what is my force people? My force is an effort. It comes into the picture because of interaction. एंड इंटरैक्शन के बाद ये एफर्ट, चाहे तुम पुश बोलो, पुल बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो यार, सब चलेगा. बट व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ इट? टू चेंज द स्टेट ऑफ मोशन. इट कैन चेंज द रेस्ट टू मोशन, मोशन टू रेस्ट, और स्पीड इंक्रीज कर सकता है, डायरेक्शन चेंज कर सकता है, लॉट ऑफ स्टफ कैन डू इट, राइट? सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन. नाउ टेल मी, if I am moving with uniform motion, do I require any force to keep that motion? Yes or no? Give me the answer. If I am moving in uniform motion, come on, tell me, do I require any kind of force to keep in that? Most of the people are saying no. Sure. There is one trick I played with you and you got into that. People, I can be in uniform motion, but my velocity could be different. You know that? Yes or no? What is uniform motion? What is uniform motion? Chalo, define me uniform motion. Good afternoon, bache. What is uniform motion? Let's see the chat box filled with the spam today. Filled with a very good. Rashmeet have giving me one catch answer there, ma'am. Only and only when there is no friction. Then you do not require an external force. Very good, Rashmeet. But there is still one catch you didn't get. Tell me what is that? External force connect? No, no. Same velocity? No, Nandini. That is the cool thing. Your uniform motion does not mean same velocity. Your uniform motion means equal distance and equal time. That is uniform speed. But velocity? Not really, because velocity can change with the direction. Hence, it is very important that मेरे question में catch कौन पकड़ेगा? Uniform motion in a straight line. ये था मेरा trick question and I love to trick you guys. That is how we start thinking. The keywords are very, 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 very important. So people, I may be in uniform motion and still require an external force because maybe my direction has to be changed. That means the velocity changes. The speed can be still same. So, on that note, what is the first law of motion? Who is going to tell me what is the first law of motion? Who is going to tell me? No, Vaishnavi. Uniform motion means constant speed. Velocity mein direction factor is there. So, motion is the base for the forces to understand, right? So, that's why we did the motion chapter as the first chapter. Super. Very good, Neetu. The law of inertia, Rashmeet, give me the statement. Who is giving me the statement? Oh, Priyanshu, it's okay, bache. It was not bad. It was not bad at all. Come on. When body is at rest, will remain at rest. आधा आंसर आ रहा है, आधे मार्क्स मिलेंगे, 5 में से 2 marks मिलेंगे. Come on, yaar, people. When any body is at rest, we can apply force. No, Vishesh, that is not that. Hey, Rekha, thanks, sweetheart. When the motion is body, blah, 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 blah. क्या हो रहा है ये? क्या हो रहा है ये? हाय, अभी हमने क्लास स्टार्ट नहीं करी है, मतलब स्टार्ट कर दिया, मेंटी स्टार्ट नहीं किया, तो यूर ऑन टाइम. रश्मि तो एकदम चतुर हो रखा है 3 Idiots का. So Newton's first law states that if a body is rest or moving at a constant speed in a straight line, it will remain keep in the same. क्या बात है रश्मि? Super hit, very good. An object do not change the state of motion under the application of external until the application, Mr. Unknown person. Unknown person, got it. An object will not change its state. Super, very good, Mayank, very good. Priyanshu, ठीक है, but पूरा जो लिखना है वो ऐसे ही लिखना है. That a body at rest. So people, I'll give you this. ठीक है, इसके बाद हम जाएंगे अपने homework question पे. So this is what is Newton's first law. An object remains in rest of the state of motion being at rest or remains in uniform motion in a straight line unless and until an external unbalanced force is applied. So whatever red color you can see on the screen now, it is actually showing you the keywords. And physics में keywords help us a lot. We can make the definition if we remember the keywords. So rest, rest. Uniform motion in a straight line, uniform motion in a straight line. External unbalanced force. These are the 3 major words in the whole. फिर बोलोगे मैम बचा क्या? Is and off. Actually that is true, but the keywords are very, 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 very important. So this is the very first law of motion. The counterbalance of the first law of motion is, what is it, people? We also called it as the law of inertia. Very good, Neetu. Very super duper hit. Rekha, I have been teaching for, to be very, very truthful, maybe 8 years. But then that depends. It's on and off. Okay. So people, inertia क्या है? Inertia is my tendency. It's my property. Why my property? Because I am matter. So whatever is matter, whoever has mass, it has inertia. And what is its inertia? Very easy. बताया तो था. जब तक मम्मी फोर्स नहीं लगाएगी, कोई हिम्मत ही नहीं है कि मैं हिल जाऊं अपनी जगह से. आई एम सो लेजी, आई विल नॉट डू दैट. बट द मोमेंट मम्मा पुट सम फोर्स ऑन मी बाय द डेड स्टेयर or start walking towards me with a balan, that force is enough for me to move. So inertia is my tendency to resist the change. If I'm at chill mode, please let me be at chill mode. If I'm working, please make me work. That is what it is. And actually, we experience physics in our day-to-day lives as well. So what is this inertia? It is not a physical quantity. Make it a point, people. Everybody confuses the inertia as a physical quantity. No, it's a property. Property of what? Property of matter. So whatever matter has mass will definitely have inertia. Now people, inertia means the resistance, the tendency or the property that says ki if I am staying in one state of motion, maybe or leave me in that. Do not take panga. ऐसे ही होता है ना, कोई हमसे पंगा ले हम सीधा बोल देते हैं जैसे मैं रह रहा हूँ मुझे वैसे रहने दो, right? So inertia is the tendency of undisturbed objects to stay at rest or to move in a straight line with the same speed. This is what is inertia. So everybody, inertia is clear to everyone? Give me a rock star like this sign, a V victory sign. Come on, yes? Everybody is clear with what is inertia, because today is the quiz about the first law and inertia. You must not have any doubts out there. The main point was inertia, that being a property does not have any unit. Do you see that? It does not have any unit, but it comes into picture because of the mass. And we already know though. But if I talk about ki move a stone for me, you can do that. But if I say move a mountain for me, you will say, ma'am, what? What are you asking for? So that is what is it. Inertia means the more resistance. If there is more resistance, yes, you have to apply more force. But inertia is not equivalent of the force. It gives you the virtue. It gives you that how much mass a body will have. Right? Now, heavy objects tends to resist more. Lower will not. That is what we talk about inertia. And we talked about the three types of inertia. The inertia of rest. If I am staying at rest, do not move me. Let me be at my Om Shanti wala stage. Second is inertia of motion. The moment I start working, I get into the work. Tick, 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 tick. Do not disturb. Tick, 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 tick. Right? So, inertia of motion. When you are into that, you are into that. The inertia of direction is very important, because you need to consider if you are going straight, you are moving in that direction. The moment the direction changes, your body still wants to be in the same state. Now, to give you the example of inertia of rest, give me one example. Chalo. Why should I do all the work? You will do the work. Come on, people. Tell me, what is the Changu Singh kab aayenge? Aajenge. Tension mat lo, Tejaswini. Tell me. My voice is cool. Is it so? I don't know that. Come on. The bus. What is this? What is this ringtones? Ring. Dust on mat. Okay, Aditya is saying, ma'am, I'm eating. That is inertia of rest. Is it so? Is it so, Aditya? You eating is the inertia of rest? Okay, car, beating of the carpet and coming out of the dust particles, shaking the tree and falling of the leaves. There are so many examples out there. Your favorite is Changu Singh. Oh my God. So let's make Changu Singh come. So let me give you one example here. The shaking of tree and the falling of leaves. So whenever you see this, this is because of inertia of rest. What about the inertia of motion? So if I am moving, we already got to know if we are in a car and the car is being brake, the speed is being brake at a very sudden point. Sorry, the speed should be brake. गलत हो गया. मैं को श्वेता मैम को बुलाना पड़ेगा. श्वेता मैम मेरी क्लास लगाएगी. Brake की spelling गलत लिखी है मैम आपने. Okay, so what is this? It will be brake. Then what will happen? My body will. Changu Singh, why my body यार? Changu Singh को गाड़ी में बिठाते हैं ना. Let's say बाप रे बाप भावना मैम आपकी ड्राइंग और आप माशाल्लाह. Okay, so let's say Changu Singh is actually having a fun time in the sunroof, staying outside what is going on, and when अचानक से ब्रेक लगी तो क्या हुआ? Changu Singh woo. Why so? Changu Singh went woo? Because Changu Singh was in motion and Changu Singh saying woo. And the inertia of direction, if this car takes a turn, Changu Singh will go in the opposite direction. We all see this. When the car turns, we go zoop, right? So this is what we already know. So now, being all of this, okay, I am not going to start with this, but एक चीज तो help मैं अभी कर देती हूँ. सबको पता है ना last question क्या होने वाला है? तो पहले से ये याद रखना कि there is some link in the description box and there is one code that is BA Pro. बस इतना याद रखना है. फिर देखना मेंटी में एक क्वेश्चन तो हिट होगा ही होगा. So people, are we ready for the menti, or is there any of the questions you have? Okay, Changu Singh is a fan of Superman. Is it Changu? Is it? No, yeah, Changu Singh yeah, is a normal man. He's a mango person. Sorry, aam aadmi hai wo. Come on. Yes, Rashmi, I'm back to Delhi. You can see this. So yes, I'm back. So let's see, are we ready for the menti? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Come on. Oh yes, homework question. Oh my god, thank you very much for reminding me that. भूल जाती है भावना मैम, कभी कभी भूल जाती है. अभी लेकर आते हैं. कहाँ गया हमारा होमवर्क क्वेश्चन? हमारे होमवर्क क्वेश्चन में आज जिन लोगों ने आग लगाई है, रॉक करा है, those are the question was inertia of body is a quantitative measure of what? The answer is mass, and the winners are Gautam, Aditya, Michelle, Dev and Teddy. All my favorite kids are there. Super, क्या बात है यार, तुम लोगों ने आग लगा रखी है. चलो अब इतनी बड़ी हो गई है बात, so शुरू करते हैं अपने मेंटी के साथ. So people be ready. Let's see the mentee is coming on or not. On your screen you can see the code of the mentee being 74539554. Can you get into this? Kailash, inertia is a property of matter to resist any change in its state of motion. Am I clear there? Kailash? बच्चा the code is 74539554. Come on. पहले ही कर लो वरना ये कोड गुम हो जाएगा. You already know that, right? हमेशा लास्ट टाइम भी भावना मैम के साथ हमेशा गड़बड़ होती है. So come on. Kailash, I answered your question बच्चे. Come on, come on, come on. Great going. Small screen. Oh ho ma'am. Thank you यार. Thank you. You guys are like देवता हो तुम. मैम छोटी स्क्रीन पे जाओ. आ रही हूँ मैं. आ रही हूँ. छोटी स्क्रीन पे आ रही हूँ. Are you ready? Okay, this happens when I go with a small screen. The code vanishes. So let's bring the code back. 74539554. Come on, people. 74539554. Let's see. Are you there? Let's see how many of you have joined in already. कितना बच्चा वाड़ी आ रहे हैं? कितना बच्चा वाड़ी आ रहे हैं? Only 29. There are 61 people there mentee के लिए. क्या है? And बच्चा पार्टी आज मैं आपको already I am going to give you a disclaimer. The questions are HOT, that is garma garam question, that is higher order thinking question. You need to be super ready and super good with them. So I had given more time for your mentee questions, but you need to read and then answer. हड़बड़ी नहीं करनी है fastest finger में आने के लिए. Right होना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है leader board में आने के लिए, right? So people, everybody came in. Everybody, who's the cat? Who's the 8? Who's the ball? Tell me everyone. You're the lollipop. नीतू lollipop कहाँ है यार? ये रहा लॉलीपॉप मिल गया है मुझे. द कोड इज बच्चे 9. ओके, अगेन द कोड इज मिसिंग. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द कोड. द कोड इज 74539554. कम ऑन, 74539554. एवरीवन जॉइंड इन? Joined in? You're the fire, Michelle. Oh my God, you must be on the fire. Nandini is the cake. I can have a bite of that. We code, bache, the 74539554. The code is there. You are the banana. Oh, I am Bhavna. Oh, you are banana. Oh, wow. It's so rhyming out there. Rugby ball. Tanmay is the rugby ball. Okay. Cat. Renuka, I love cats. Superb. Very good. So, everybody came in. Hi, Abhinav. Yes, I do. Hello, Tamanna. Chalo, Gauri is the boat. Okay, who's the goat then? गोट है? नहीं है वो. गोट है ही नहीं. अरे यार गोट तो हमेशा होती है. आज गोट ही नहीं आई हमारी क्लास में. चलो let's start with the very first question on our computer screens coming up, people. Now, dust can be removed out of a blanket using law of inertia, second law of inertia, law of Newton, third law of Newton, or Newton's law of gravitation. Something is related with Newton, Baba. Is it first law, second law, third law, fourth law? Which one is the right answer? Which one is the right answer? Is this the first? Is it the B? Is it the second? Or is it the third one? You have 9 more seconds to go. Everybody clicking in the answers. Everybody is doing. Misclick हो गया हर्ष से तो. Oh. Time is up. Let's see. Dust can be removed out of the blanket. Out of 57, 53 got it right. Superb. ये law of gravity किसको याद आया? Oh, ma'am, when you beat it, the gravity pushed the dust particle towards it. Pull the dust particle. Is it so? No, it doesn't work that way. It is because of inertia. And 53 out of 57 got it right. Whoa, people. Super rocking. Let's see who is coming on the bus. Sangvi, you're the best teacher. Thank you, baby. You're the first. You work very less. I didn't get it. Fish. Snehita is next. Then it is Heartstrong, Katie, Michelle, Rashri. Which you people are awesome. Ekam Jot, Anjali and Newton ki aisi ki taisi. That's so bad. That's so bad. I'm telling you, the birdie out there, Newton Baba had did so much for us that because of him, Today we are able to make the rocket ships and go outside. If we do not know the science, we will not be able to apply it. So Newton Baba ki no aisi ki taisi. Next question. The code is 74539554. People, let's see. Can you hit in the second question correct? Let's see. What is it? A passenger is moving in the train, tosses a coin which falls behind him. So I would love to sit behind this passenger, by the way. Observing the statement, what can you say about the motion of the train? So people, somebody is sitting in the train and I'm sitting behind him. He is tossing the coin and eventually the coin came into my pocket. Wow, lovely. I hope so. वो 100 का coin होता, but it's okay. Whatever. I'm earning money without doing anything. It's okay. So a passenger is moving. Train tosses a coin where it falls behind. What can you say about it? The train is accelerated. Superb, kids. So everybody knows. So you know if the train is accelerating, where to sit. Whenever somebody is playing, go and sit at the behind of that person. So this way you can earn a lot of pennies, I guess. Not much, but kuch to milega na yaar. The right answer is given by 41% out of 58. How and what? Snehita, are you still topping the chart there? Yes, I can see. Snehita, no, this time it's tick. Adarsh and Vansh being fastest have made it to the list. Ekam Jyot is on the first. Wow. Then it's Snehita. Then this is, I can read it. Exclamation mark, hashtag, multiply and exclamation and dollar. So Adarsh, Vansh, Michelle, Rashmeet, लगा लो यार, लगा लो. सही बोल रहा है Rashmeet. BA Pro लगा लो. UV, Dev and Nandini made it to the list. Great people. मुझे चाहिए leaderboard में खलबली. Let's see, can you do that and how much times or how many times you can be on that. Let's go to the next question, people. Question number 3. Let's see how many of you are ready to answer that. Hey Mukesh, you're Jairam. The inertia of a moving object depends on what? On what thing does the inertia depend? Does it depend on the mass of the object? Does it depend on the momentum? Is it depending on the speed of the object or the shape of the object? Come on, tell me what is the right answer. The inertia of the moving object depends on what? Last 10 seconds, people. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up. People, this is your warm-up. I want to see what is happening. Why the speed of the object? But say inertia, it's not the momentum. We have to yet understand what's momentum. So when you talk about inertia, it is the resistance. Stone, mountain, cycle, car. Which is more easy to move? The one which has less mass. So the measure, the mass is actually telling me how much inertia body will have. So people, it is the mass of the object. कोई tension नहीं, गलती करो, but सीख लो. So leaderboard, who all? Oh my God, something is going to change. I can see Gaurav has made it to the list. So this time it is exclamation, hashtag, multiply and exclamation and dollar to be the fastest and on the top. Then it is Ekam Jyot, then Vansh, then Michelle, Nandini. Heartstrong with the fastest in the list again. Rashmeet, please लगा लो यार, किसी को तो बोलो लगा लो. Then it's Shahid, Rashri, so sweet people, and Gaurav, same with me because you feel like as my because Gaurav is my elder brother. तो तुम छोटे भाई हो गए मेरे, right? Let's go to the next question. By the way, बीच में बता दूं या एंड में बता दूं? चल बीच में बताएंगे. पहले फोर्थ क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Ma'am, what is this question? Let's see on our screens. Can you go better? Warm up done. Let's see. Let's make the level a bit high. Complete the statement of the first law of motion. So what is this statement saying? A body at rest stays at dash and a body in motion stays in dash unless and dash is applied. Oh my God, so many dashes. So it's like whenever I was in college, whenever I have to say something to someone who is being mean to me, I used to say you are dash. So dash means you have to fill on your own. Here, the whole first law is in our front of our eyes. We have to just fill in the dashes. So what is it? A body at rest stays at dash. A body in motion stays in dash because or unless a dash is applied. What is the right answer? Last 10 seconds you have. Is it motion, rest, external force? Rest, motion, external force? Rest, motion, internal force, or none of these? 3, 2, and 1. The time is up. Out of 54 kids, 40 people got it right. ये कहाँ घूम रहे हो? A body, ये पक्का से मिसक्लिक होने वाले. कितने बच्चों का मिसक्लिक हुआ है इस क्वेश्चन में? How many of you have misclicked? Yes, Harsh, I can read your name. How many of you have misclicked this one? A body at rest stays at rest, and a body in motion stays in motion until and unless an external unbalanced force is applied. So this is the right answer. Let's see, do you get the first law and how many made it to the leaderboard? People, some changes out there. Let's see. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है leaderboard हिलते ही. ऊपर नीचे. Yes. So Mr. Exclamation, hashtag, star, and exclamation, and the dollar sign is on the top. Then it's Ekamjot, Michelle, Vansh, Nandini, Heartstorm. Your work very less. Rashmeet, Shahid, and Harsh are in the list. So Harsh, you made it to the list. Super, very well done. So people, I told you there is one question that's going to come, and we were doing the warm-up. This time, until now, this was the warm-up for you guys. So easy, okay, normal questions were there. Now I'm going to bring the garma garam question. Now what do you mean by garma garam question? The hot question. Hot means higher order thinking skill, and I want you to have that. So people, make sure कि अगर ये clear है, तो next step तक तो हम चढ़ ही सकते हैं. So till now, everything is clear in the topic of motion, force, inertia, mass, first law. Everything is clear because one, we are doing this class today so that if you have any of the doubt in this topic, you can come to me. Come on, tell me. We will go to the next question only when you will say, you're that weird name. Oh, why that weird name then? So there are two Harsh in my class today. Superb people. Superb. Ipsita. So sweet, yaar, Ipsita. Hi, welcome. Yes, you're on the top. I got that. I was the first time. Okay, Mr. Okay, I got it. Superb. Yes. Oh, Dhanit, it's you. Nice. Ma'am, please do a shout out. अभी करते हैं shout out. So people, ऐसा करते हैं, छोटा सा एक shout out लेते हैं, shout out break. मैंने आपसे पूछा है कि is this everything clear? And that is what I want to tell you. I told you there is one thing that will be going to help you to make everything clear. And what is that thing? The thing is the link in the description box using the code BA Pro. Now, how this link is going to help you? Tell me how this link is going to help anybody. This link takes you to a sheet where you can be or choose a part or a subscription plan for you to be a Vedantu student. And you already know there is something super cool going on. You know that? Do you know that? This is that we are making promise. It's not just we are making the promise. I want to show you, yaar. मैं miss नहीं करना चाहती थी, but I missed on the something. Even Amir Khan is telling you that this promise is working. And what is this promise? Let me just show you, यार. दिखाई देते हैं. इतना बात कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा करते हैं. Let me just show you one promise that I just show yesterday. Can you see this? Is this audible? Yes or no? Oh my God, maybe no. Let me just get the desktop. Yes. People, can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, this is so bad. I want you guys to hear it. Where is the volume? Why it's not working? अरे, come on, desktop. अभी भी नहीं. No. So check out the ad. Or yaar, Amir Khan is looking so cute, and you know he had actually done this by his own phone.
पर कभी सोचा है कि मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ बच्चों की ही क्यों? इसलिए वेदांतु इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस.
Oh, I made this a wrong thing. Chalo, I got it, but you have to see this. I'll tell you how to or where to see this. I'll send you the link in the chat box, yaar. I'll send you the link in the chat box. Look, she's looking so cute. I can show you this again, but why the volume is not coming? Why the volume is not coming? Oh,
पापा का वॉल्यूम उतना ही बढ़ जाता है. ये होती है पढ़ाई. पर पापा ये करने पे जाता ट्यूशन है. पर कभी सोचा है कि मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ बच्चों की ही क्यों? इसलिए वेदांतु इम्प्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस. अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा और गारंटी देगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस. हाँ, ये होती है गारंटी।
यस
Am I audible? No. Am I audible now? Abhi? Abhi, am I audible? Yay! Oh my God, so many. Okay, people होता है बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें बहुत होती है, तो भावना मैम के साथ तो लगभग होती ही रहती है. You already know each session. अगर एक गड़बड़ ना हो तो ऐसे कहाँ मजा आता है भावना मैम को, right? So yes, the sound is back. So let's start with talking what I was talking about. So I told you even Amir Khan gives you a thappa that yes, Vedantu is making this promise for you to improve. And how? Because there are so many things you can choose from. You can choose from 3 of the plans, that is called Light, Classic or Plus, to make your studies get improved, and hence your marks got improved, and we are there for your improvement. So the live interactive classes, test series, assignments, doubt solving in the class, these are common to all these 3. But the best part is the doubt solving of mobile app is there in Classic, which will help you during your self-study. And the best test of the thing is the Plus. The Plus is coming up with the doubt solving in a mobile app and your personal mentor. Now, personal mentor is going to be your guide. It is like telling you what, where, and what can be done according to your needs and choices. So, if I had a personal mentor, I would have been an astronaut today. I'm a teacher and I love it. But if you get the right guidance at the right stage, you can do wonders. So all these come in your different plans, and I'm not saying choose it because I say it. I say try for 1 month, which is a very reasonable cost, with the code BA Pro, because that will fetch you a 10% discount. So you can do any of these from any of the different subscription plans, or even go for 1 month trial. Now people, when you go this, you go and see the prices are too much, but do not think that these are so much. One thing, that this is one umbrella and you get everything under this. That means your all subjects, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, social science, English, everything covered under one umbrella. And this cost is also not this much. It comes out to be very low, less than a Lay's packet or a Dairy Milk chocolate. Why? Because there are unlimited micro courses which you can attend. So if you attend more classes, the cost will go even less. So if you are actually thinking that this is worth or not, try for 1 month. If you're thinking this is what, try and go for the long term, because the batches are running. With the Vedantu Promise, we say that if you are attending the classes more than 75% with us, with the 75% of the assignments, we are definitely going to make you improve. And if not so, your fees will be back to you. इतना confidence तो तभी आता है when we definitely know. And people, why I ask you to join just now with the code BA Pro? Because my batches have started. They are filling up. 7th June, it's already started. The enrollments will end within 1 or 2 days. And there is another batch coming for 21st of June. Do not miss on that. Okay? Using what? You know what you need to use? You need to use the code BA Pro, or directly go through the link in the description box. Now let's come back to our mentee. With the code 74539554, we are going in the 5th question out of 9. Let's see how is your higher order thinking skill. 5th question on your screen coming up. People, ले आओ. सब लोग आ गए हैं? ले आओ. Should I comment? Comment. Chalo, let's see. Can we see the 5th question on our screen? Yes. Choose the correct statement. So people, you need to choose the correct statement out of these. What is the statement? Motion necessarily takes place along the direction of the force. Second, if no force acts, the body is at rest. Third, a body in motion need not be acted upon a force. Or fourth, change in speed is always there when a force is applied on a moving body. बहुत सारी स्टेटमेंट है, दोबारा पढ़नी पड़ेगी. पढ़ लो 30 सेकंड से, जल्दी से. Motion necessarily takes place along the direction of the force. Is it necessary? Second, if no force acts, the body is at rest. It's not it is. Third, a body in motion need not be acted upon by a force. Or fourth, change in the speed is always there when a force is applied on a moving body. So people, let's see. Can you give me the right answer there? 10 seconds left. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Oh my God, what a graph. I told you this is the level up. This is the hot section, people, the garma garam section for you guys, the higher order thinking. Let's see what was the question. Choose the correct statement. Motion necessarily takes place along the direction of the force? No. Friction comes up to be a very big factor. So yes, force being a vector, it has a direction, and motion is also has a direction. So when you talk about friction, friction is applied in the other direction, motion is happening in the other direction. So no. Second, if no force acts, the body is at rest. No, it can be in uniform motion. Number 3, a body in motion need not be acted. It may or may not. That is what is the third statement. And the fourth one is change in speed is always there when a force is applied on a moving body. Always change in speed? Not required. It could be the net force be 0. So a force can be balanced. So people, मुझे तो मजा आ गया इस क्वेश्चन में, because I know the leaderboard is going to get hipped, hopped and एकदम मचा के रख दिया. Oh my God, so many kids have changed into this. Oh, अंकु मैम की याद आ रही है टेडी को. So sweet यार, so sweet. मैं बता दूंगी. Should I click a picture of this अंकु मैम? अभी भेजती हूँ अंकु मैम को, ठीक है? So Rashri, you are on the top. Teddy with the fastest answer is second. Albert, JR NTSC Kerala is third. Junior NTSC, right? Adrisha is Balle Balle. Abhishek sir fans is on fourth. Then it is Harsh. Thank you Harsh for telling me this is you. Ekam Jot, Michelle, Vansh, Nandini and Heartstrong. No worries. This is what we need to do. We need to improve our thinking skills. Let's go to the next question and let's see, can we challenge one more question to ourselves? Can we do that, people? Can we challenge ourselves one more question out there? Yes or no? Ma'am, this thing is giving me time out multiple times. Rain, is it so? Oh, don't worry, Rain. It will not happen. Come on, chalo. Let's see. Challenge on. Challenge mode on. 3, 2, 1. The question on our screen coming up now. What is the question? A rider on horse falls back when the horse starts running all of a sudden. Because why? So if I'm doing horse riding, when the horse started running, I fall back. Why is it? The rider is taken aback. Oh my God, the horse is running. He can run. Second, the rider is suddenly afraid of falling. That's why he moves back. The third, inertia of rest keeps the upper body of the body at rest, but the lower body moves forward. Fourth, inertia of motion keeps the upper part of the body move forward with the horse. What is the answer if a rider is pushed backward? So the question is easy. The main point here is, can you deal with the options? Yes or no? 20 more seconds, people. A rider falls back while on the horse. The horse started running. Oh my God, I'm such a bad horse. I cannot do mimic at all. But my nephew can do. He always do all that he can do. So people, out of 55 kids, 37 got it right. Now you're getting the feel of hot question. This is what is it. 37 out of 55 people have got to the right answer. That why it happens? Because of the inertia of rest. So your upper body is still at rest. Your lower body goes into the motion and hence you fall backwards. The same reason when I got that coin in the train, the penny, right? So if someone is doing and suddenly the train accelerates, the coin will fall backward to make the motion straight. So Rashri, Teddy, Albert Jr., Adrisha, Harsh, Vansh, Ekamjot, Rajmeet is wapis in the list. And yes, Rashmeet is giving you an answer. Hertzmut and Ring. Please check the Telegram. Ring, I am not active on Telegram, but yeah, we are there for the mail. So yes, I will give you the mail ID. You can definitely check me there. So question number 7 is now entering. We are going to the last stage. Now leaderboard is going to get concrete. Have you eaten Fevicol in your breakfast today? Let's see, are you on the same position or you can shift the position of the toppers to the bottom? Now is the real fight bringing on. And the questions are going to get tougher and tougher. Let's see, 7 question out of 9. Can you give me the right answer out there? Answer fast to get more points. Which of these examples can be explained by Newton's first law of motion? What are the examples, people? It is easier to push an empty shopping cart than a full shopping cart. It takes a smaller force to roll a marble than a bowling ball. When a person steps forward, he exerts a backward force on the ground. Or a runner does not come to stop immediately upon finishing the cross line. What is the right answer? Which of these are the example of Newton's first law of motion? First law of motion, what is it? What is it? So first law, I'm not talking about inertia. Please be very, very clear. I'm not asking you inertia. I'm asking you what is the first law of motion. Again, a super confused crowd. The people, the very first pointer, that is that a shopping cart needs less force is your inertia. The second was your Newton's second law. A greater ball will require more force for more acceleration. The third one was again not the right answer. The right answer came out to be the last. The athlete cannot stop because he is in uniform motion. The right answer is coming by the last one, say 26. Bada maza aane wala hai. Rashri, you got it wrong. I can see that, bacha. Teddy, did you get it right? Yes. So Teddy, Anku Ma'am OP is on the top. Albert Jr. is second. Adrisha is third. Vansh being fastest is on the fourth. Harsh, Rin, Rashri, you're there. Don't worry. They came into the list. Shravani and Chirag. What is this? Gujjar. Superb. So people, we coming to the last question. Look at the question very, very carefully. This is the last difficult question because iske baad to I'm going to give you the most easy question if you have been a regular attendant of the session. This is the last question for you to kick in. Let's see, can you kick it the right answer? A ball rests upon a flat piece of paper on a tabletop. Okay, fine. The paper is pulled horizontally but quickly towards the right. So the paper is, let's say I have a ball here, okay, and I keep it on a sheet of paper and I keep that on a tabletop and I suddenly push it right. You need to tell me what will happen to the ball. Okay? So relative to its initial position, with respect to the table, the ball remains stationary if there is no friction between the paper and the ball. Think about it, okay? Will it move to the left and starts rolling backwards to the left if there is a friction between the paper and the ball? Or will it move forward, that is in the direction in which the paper is pulled? So people, this is just an example to you. I have cooked up a ball here, it is stationary and then first suddenly I pull the paper. Now this is a very bad experiment which Bhawna Ma'am had done. You need to tell me ideally what should be happening. Will the ball remain stationary? Will it move towards the left or will it move forward? What is the right answer, people? Your time starts now. Come on. Let's see how many of you can give me the right answer of this hot question. So a ball is there the paper has been pulled, where will the ball go? First, second, third, or fourth, or it could be first and two, third only, second only, or first only. What is the right answer? Is it first? Will it remain stationary and move to the left? Both? Will it move forward? Will it only move towards the left, or will it remain stationary? What do you think is the right answer? Very, 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 very hottest question of the day today is this. So people, you need to increase the level of thinking. You need to understand, if I get inertia, how this is applied in our day-to-day life. You need to see that how things are changing in our around us, where we see inertia being acting, where we see Newton's first law acting. You have 15 more seconds to go for this question. Think again. ध्यान से ध्यान देना है. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up. It's gone, people. Again, the graph is a ऊपर नीचे वाला graph, and this is what is important. The coolest thing is the first and second, both are right. But before I show you this, let's go back. अभी मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बता रही who is the winner. It will be super fun, but it's very important to understand the last question. So people, what was the last question? The last question was कि a ball rests upon a flat piece of paper on the tabletop. The paper is pulled horizontally but quickly towards the right. So it is moved towards the right. What will happen related to its initial position with respect to the table? With the respect to the table, it will remain stationary if there is no friction. So if there is no friction, the paper is gone, inertia. It will make it stay at the same place, rest, right? But if there is friction, what will happen? If the paper is pulled this side, the ball will move in the opposite side. Friction wins the race. This is the best example where we saw in the previous question that zaruri nahi hai. It's not necessary that in the direction the force is applied, the body will move in the same direction. So the main thing ideally here comes to be out of all these, both 1 and 2 are right. This is called the hot question, people. And this is your homework question for today. If you got your inertia, if you got your mass, your first law, your forces, all are clear in your head, then you can answer this question and be my rock star in the next class. A ball moving on a surface stops after traveling some distance. Does it violate the first law of motion? Yes or no, and why? If you give me the complete answer, you will be the hero in the next class. Let's see the winners after this question. The last question, though it is super easy, can change your leaderboard position, people. Quickly tell me what is the right answer for this question. What is the code you need to use while going for the subscription? That is, my code is BPRO, BA Pro, B Pro, or Bhav Pro. What is my code? You have 10 seconds. Come on. Sorry, 5 seconds now. 4, 3, 2, 1. This question can change your leaderboard situation. Yes or no? Oh my God. Still yet there are some kids who do not know. So it's very important you know the code BA Pro, because that code is going to get you 10% discount in your subscription. Teddy, Anku Ma'am, OP, Albert Jr. is second. Rashmi, my girl, you're third. Dev is fourth. Shravani is fifth. Rain is sixth. I cannot see the football. Arisha, Shahid, and Shore. Congratulations, people. You guys rocked today's Menti, and I loved the session. I hope you enjoyed as much as I love to deliver it. Be there for the next session, and I will be seeing you in the next session for the same. Okay, people? Cool. Thank you very much for today's class. I'll see you in the next class. Please like the video if you really enjoyed it and understood the bit. And if you want to or want to share with your friends or your relatives, yes, Bhawna Ma'am is coming on YouTube, do share the video. Please make sure if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, do that and press on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next class. It was a lovely time for me. Thank you very much, people. Till the time we meet next, keep smiling, keep rocking, and keep learning. Bye, people. Take care. Have a great time. Bye.